Hi guys, yeah, we just got that templates cut out that's going to get shipped off this morning, and let's get right back into what's going on. As you can hear, I'm a little plugged up because spring's finally here in Utah. I know the rest of you in the country have been experiencing spring, but it just got here to Utah. So, got the allergies, usually have them for a couple of weeks and then hopefully they go away, but I'll try to struggle through it. So I want to get back to that violin neck, but I've got too much stuff going on in the shop right now. Kind of a catch-22. You make videos and show people what you're doing, and then you get orders for stuff, and I like doing the work, so we're just gonna make some videos of what I'm doing here in the shop just to keep things moving, and as soon as things calm down a little bit, we'll be able to get back to that violin neck. It does give me some time to just really get that code, worked out really great, so hopefully it should be a beautiful part once we get it worked out. But for now, we're doing some electric necks. These are the two scarf joints that we started in that last shop update video, and they're just rough cut on the bandsaw, and we're going to need to set these up to go on the CNC machine and cut them, so this is how I do it. Okay, so we got those cut. We got a really nice 17-degree angle. After that, I just took a sanding beam here and just sanded them flat to get all the tool marks out. And I'm gonna break these out of here and we're gonna glue them on. So we got these necks glued up, so we got a nice scarf joint on both of them. I still have a little bit of cleanup on the faces before we start CNCing these out. So I had a little issue with I had some random what seemed like random E-stops. They're not random, so there's always a reason for an E-stop. The trick is to figure out what it actually is. So I just upgraded the CNC machine to a higher amperage power supply. It's still a switching power supply. Probably should have gone with a linear power supply, but this is what I'm running right now. And that's working out really great, but I was still hitting those E-stops. And so I decided tonight I was just gonna go through everything. So I took apart the whole bearing systems and the linear rails on the machine. I went through everything just to make sure that everything was clean and working perfectly. And I discovered on my Z-axis I had a broken bearing. So that was probably my problem. I also had some pretty damaged bearings on my Z-axis. So I've ordered bearing replacements for the entire Z-axis. We'll get those in, and maybe we'll make a little video of doing that. And then we'll get back to work on these. And you know, maintaining those machines is very important. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your likes. Thanks for subscribing. Check us out on Patreon. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And have a good night.